Hey guys, it's Space Maze, and today we are doing a YouTube video about my dad's Porsche 911 Carrera. It's cabriolet, and that means cabriolet means a convertible. It's white on cocoa, like chocolate. I know it's like Christmas Eve, guys, but we're gonna walk it down here and all the way down here. Here, let me open the garage. But here it is. So it's a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera. So it's a 7-speed manual. It's cocoa on white, so it's pretty nice. You come over here to the driver's seat. It is a manual. It does have the sport package. It's sport, has sport, and then it has the exhaust button, which makes the exhaust really loud. We'll show you that in a little bit. Back here, here's an option. Back here, we have an option here. Clear lights is an option because they come stock with the red lights. Also, we got the exhaust. This is what the exhaust you have. You will take off the 911 badge and they just have the Porsche on here. I like it kind of with the 911 badge. There's just many options you can do. You can do no badge, or you can do 911 only. I think it looks cool like this. Then you have the fin. The fin looks lit. And then over here we got the rims. They're just silver rims, they're stock. They're nothing special. And then if you want to check inside, there you go. Pretty lit, yeah. You have the Carrera right here, Carrera right down here. A couple others are in a different spot. Well, it's in a different spot. It's just weird. So you have to do this, and then you go. So that's how you do the cup holders. I don't know. It's Porsche design, so pretty cool. Also, if you want the gas cap's up in the front right here. If you want to check it out, the gas cap. It's nothing special like Lamborghini has their own one. Oh, I'm gonna tell you something back here. So storage back here, you just redo all oil changes on that, because if you guys didn't know, the engine's back here. So the oil changes are right here, the coolant fluid. You also have the air to cool the car down. You're going really fast. It's not like a speedway or something like that. By the way, it is very cool out here, guys. So, yeah, I mean, really, 3.6 liter flat, 3.4 liter actually Carrera that produces around like 380 horsepower. Check the car from Marucci Motor Groups. Check the guys out. Marucci Motor Groups is in Richmond, California, down near the Bay Area. It's pretty lit down there. They have all types of cars, like the L458, Corvette, Stingray, Audi R8s, other Porsche 911s. Lit. That's where we bought it. Pricing was pretty good. We actually got it for a good deal. We got it for around I think we got it for like 69 grand, and it was originally like 75. So negotiating is the way to go, always. So this is a little fun car to ride around. I think, it's probably one of the most funnest cars to drive around. It is really loud. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, you need to check them out. Like, this car, crackle, pop, snap, whatever you want to call it, this car is loud. Okay, if I had a car to pick between an Audi R8 and a Porsche, probably a Porsche 911, because the handling on this car is phenomenal. Like, any Porsche 911, let's say the GT3 RS, I bet you 100% that GT3 RS can take better turns than a Lamborghini eventually, or something like that. Because the event car is a V12 and heavy, and the Porsche is like a 5.6 engine. It doesn't have that big V12 in it. It's better than, it's better having a flat 6 engine because it's not as big than a V12 engine. But yeah, Andrew, you want to check out the exhaust? No?
Yeah, let's do the exhaust. All right, let's go.
It's on.
Yeah. I can control it. Right.
This is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera.
Do it again, 'cause I wasn't in.
Start.
Do it again.
This is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera. Start.
It says no key.
That's fail number 1.
Be like,
Okay,
I
that's-
have the key here.
That was a fail, guys. Take 2. This is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera cold starter. Here I go, Andrew. Oh my god. Guys, this was a fail. Sorry. It was a bad fail. Oh, whoa. Oh god. This is a bad hill, guys. Bad.
All right, go ahead.
Alright, guys. So, this is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera cold starter. Alright, you want me to go? This is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera startup. Hot cut. This is a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera rev up. Hey, that wasn't that loud, guys, because I didn't rev it up that high. I only revved up to 5,000 RPM because I don't want to blow up the engine. It's not even my car, so this is not going to be a smart idea. So rev it up one more time.